When was the last time you cleaned your small kitchen appliances? And do you know what's lurking on them or within them? Let's start with our beloved coffee machine. But did you know that mold and bacteria loves it too? Now, when it comes to cleaning the machine, I try to make it a habit to remove all removable parts inside and out for a weekly clean. And I give the coffee machine a good wipe down all areas. That's the interior and the exterior. And every 6 to 8 weeks, don't forget to descale your machine, which can all be done using equal parts white vinegar and water. Next, we've got the blender. Now, if you happen to be like me, as it's so easy to dump your container in the sink when you're done, so just do a quick little rinse with some dish soap and warm water. Give it a quick shake. This will prevent food from sticking. And then when you get home, just give it a thorough clean. I have to take apart this rubber seal, and as you can see what's lurking underneath, old dried up smoothie mix. Both the rubber seal and the blade is going to need a deep clean, along with the base of the blender. Now we have the toaster, the crumb magnet of the kitchen. Now, safety first, always unplug before cleaning, to which I tend to remove my crumb tray for a quick wash. Now, grabbing some old newspaper, I'm just going to hold the toaster upside down and then give it a shake. It's always a bit of a surprise at the amount of crumbs that just come out of it. Now, using a small brush, this will help to get out any stubborn crumbs. And then I like to proceed with the wiping down and the polish of the exterior. Now, when it comes to my microwave, it can occasionally look like a battlefield inside. So steam cleaning is the quickest and easiest way to clean the inside of your microwave. All you need is just a microwave-safe bowl filled with water and a few lemon slices. Microwave on high for about 5 to 10 minutes and the steam will loosen all that grime. Now carefully remove the bowl and place your turntable plate in the dishwasher or to soak ready to be hand washed. Then wipe down the interior with a damp cloth. Now if it's really dirty like this one, you may want to use a multi-surface cleaner suitable for the microwave and then give your microwave a buff and shine, again with another microfiber cloth. Now try to invest in a microwave food cover, as this reduces the number of splatters all over the microwave and your cleaning times. Now the air fryer is a kitchen game changer, but cleaning it can be a chore. Now when it comes to cleaning it, we need to make sure the air fryer is unplugged and completely cooled down before we begin. Now take out the basket and any removable parts for washing up. Now the easiest way to give your air fryer a good deep clean is to turn it upside down. Take a look at the heating element and you'll be surprised at the state it will be in. So you're going to want to use some white vinegar in a spray bottle, and you're going to want to create a paste using baking soda and a little bit of water. Or you can just use a multi-surface cleaner that also cuts through grease and grime. You're going to need a soft brush to hand and a couple of microfiber cloths. Now all of these will assist you in the removing of all of that grease and grime from that heating element. Now once done, you can start to wipe down the exterior and the interior with a damp microfiber cloth and then replace back all your removable parts. Cleaning your air fryer on a regular basis will help to prevent the build-up of the grease and grime. Now try to follow these small kitchen appliance tips in order to keep them clean and running smoother for longer. Now be sure to check out my next video on more kitchen cleaning tips.